Here's how to find your Wi-Fi password on an Android phone. First, you need to go ahead and access your mobile settings. Then after, go to connections and then tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the gear icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network and this opens the Wi-Fi settings. Tap on the QR option and a QR code will appear containing the Wi-Fi password. To reveal the password as a text, save the QR code image to your phone. Tap on Save as Image. And now open a web browser and search for QR code reader website. Go ahead and tap on any website that you prefer. Tap on Scan Now option. Drop the image that you just saved. And the website will scan the image and display the Wi-Fi network name and password. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.